So what is up with you guys? Today we're going to review some of the delicacies of 4D Fam. And first off, we're gonna start with the burgers.
So yan, thank you so much to 4D Fam. So sabi nila, 4D Fam Resto. So originated dito sa Olongapo City talaga. So why 4D Fam yung pangalan? From word itself, 4D Family. So try natin yung burgers nila. First bite. Solid yung beef. No? Ang laki niya guys. Actually hindi ko pa alam yung price nito. Pero syempre, yung ganitong burgers minsan ka na makakita sa mga ano ngayon eh.
Yeah. Saka hindi siya lasang yung extensions. Kaya lasang pure beef talaga siya.
Yung iba kasi, sa mga patty nila, yung ibang establishment ibang nagbibenta ng burgers. Sobra, na-overpower ng extender yung patty nila. Ito hindi. Legit.
Big ups.
Solid. Solid 4D Fam burgers. Thumbs up. Siyempre sasabayan ko ng ng specialty coffee ni Isaiah. Thank you bro.
Our next steak is Supreme Tacos. Yan, wait ako.
So yun yung Supreme Tacos daw nila. Guys, ito yung Supreme Tacos ng 4D Fam.
Yung taco nila, homemade. Yan. Still crispy. Tinig mo ba yan? Sige, hintayin ko muna yung verdict mo about sa taco. Kasi meron na ako. Sarap. Not too sweet. Kaya savory pa rin siya at the same time. Dito, since hindi naman nila agad pinaghalo-halo yung mga ingredients, lalo na to kasi madaling magsagi yung
Ganun tunog eh. First bite. Ilang bite na ba tayo?
handy bite. Sarap yung Tasmanian sauce. Kumbaga, it reminds me rin ng yung base ng Caesar salad, no? May pagka-pungy effect. Yeah, it's good. Like it.
So paano? So tuloy-tuloy na namin to guys. Thank you so much for the family. Let's go.
Guys.